How tall can that tower? That is one tall tower. Is your daddy teasing you? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna knock it over? Yeah. Oh, you made it so tall. Boom. This is a good use of Play-Doh. You made it so tall.
Freaking out.
I know, it's so exciting. It is pretty exciting, isn't it? I know.
Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Charlie, I was
You're
right
gonna
there. I
knock
saw
it
the
down?
whole thing.
You're gonna knock it down?
He's gonna try to get that middle one out.